Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Friday, jobs report day, 2023, July 7th. All right, here we are about 8:15 a.m. And before I get into everything, I'm going to remind you one last time. Today ends the Independence Day sale. So it'll be off later this morning, maybe this afternoon. You want to take advantage of it, you go to iraepstein.com. Under research, everything's automatic there. You go up here, you hit any of these icons. Remember, this is for new and returning members. 50% off any of my market research packages. That could be the morning subscriber video package, the video, the ETF video, the combination of the two, the full research where you get the video and the twice written daily updates, all in there. 50% off, choose from a monthly or a yearly. Last time you're going to see this for a bit. So want to take advantage? It's less than the price if you go to a Whopper burger or McDonald's, get their super meals. This is cheaper than that on a daily basis. Come on. And on a monthly basis, it's a joke. So 50 off, take advantage. You're not going to see this again. One last mailing today and it's over. All right, now, let's go and talk about what we've got. Because as you look, you can see you're down here. The metal's getting a bit of a bounce, the dollar down. I wouldn't put too much stock in anything that's going on in the energies right now. I think that now that OPEC is basically over, we're going to hear more about what Russia's doing, not doing, how successful they're going to be, everybody in OPEC, with keeping production cuts and seeing where the markets carry with it. All the grains lower, improved weather, lack of demand. That's a bigger issue, I think, now. Brazil has taken over, really in a major way, corn exports to the world. They surpassed the U.S. Where are we going to sell all this corn? That becomes an issue here for the marketplace. Bonds and notes, keep your eye on the 2-10-year. Got up to about 104, 103. It's back to in the 90s right now. Why? All right, let's take a look and get an idea here. Let me get over to this part of this, and here we go. There you go. So forget the ADP number that was a blowout 497. You come in, and I saw the expectations 225 to 240. So we'll say 240. You came in at 209. As for the unemployment rate, they expected 3.6. It is. That was down a tenth. They revised the non-farms from May to 306, so that's a loss of 33,000 jobs as well. The unemployment rate, though, did stay the same. Private sector went up 149. Government payrolls went up 60. Job labor force stayed about the same. You're looking at average hourly earnings up a fraction, but there's still wage pressure, and that's the key here. They were expecting the hourly earnings at about a 0.3%. It's closer to 3.6%, and you were up to 4.35 on the hourly. So what this does, in my opinion, it forces the Fed to sit back, like I have been saying now for a year and a half. I think a 2% goal is crazy. It's not realistic. Will the Fed be able to live with a 3-4% goal of inflation? I think that's the new world, to be honest with you. I know their target. They're going to have to make up their mind. Do they want to move on the next batch of rate hikes? All right, so let's talk July. Nothing here, in my opinion, should take the Fed away from another 25 basis point hike. Nothing. So as I'm seeing it, they're going to move that 25, and that's when we have to wait and see how the data between then and the period after that all comes in. I wouldn't be surprised that the Fed is one and done. Not at all. I'm not predicting it yet, but it wouldn't surprise me. And I think you have to adjust your trading to that. This is still not favorable equities. It's still going to be another hike at this point in time. I don't think it's bullish the dollar. I think it's negative the dollar. I'm looking for a top there and a number of these markets to start to rally against the dollar. Look at how much the yen is up. Look at how much the peso has fallen if you want to get some ideas. I was pointing that out this morning. Nat gas, you got all these heat waves. I was just watching national news this morning when I was taking my shower. You have a TV in the shower and the whole thing, and I'm watching it, and they're talking the heat wave across the country. Natural gas didn't move on that, and our work was right in catching part of that. So where do I think you go with all this? Well, I'm going to be writing my reports this morning. You're welcome to get them. There's many ways to do it. You can take advantage of the sale. You can go to our website at iraepstein.com, go to the free offers, take a look there, but then you're going to be paying retail should you decide you want them. So take advantage of our end of the year sale. It's right here. It's actually the end of July 4th sale, is the way I should say it. 50 off for new and subscribing returning members. How do you get it? Go to our website, iraepstein.com, under the word research. Go up to the top here, give a click. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you tonight as we do the reviews. And no, you won't hear me talking about the sale anymore. I won't be speaking about it. You have a great day.